Hey, good morning everybody, man. I'm Oscar, you're watching Oscar Outdoors. Today we're at Miller Springs Park. We just came back from the last video from Chalk Ridge Falls. Now we're at Miller Springs Park, man. Check it out. And as you can see, that water's flowing. Woo, that's good stuff. Look at that. I haven't seen it flowing like this in a long time. Dang, think there's any fish in there? Going fast. Can you feel the power? Dang. Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with. All right, let's stop talking, man. Let me throw this lure out and see if we can't catch something while we're hiking around and looking around. So many places to cast, I don't even know where to start. I might go over here in the slack water area. Might cast it here a couple times too, I don't know. All right, there we go. Silver might work here too. We'll find out. Man, check it out. What's up, guys? Look how high the water got, everybody. All the way up. That's the trail right there to get all the way down, but it's covered up past the trees. Dang. Ooh. Gotcha. There you go. A little snake here. And looks like just a little water snake. He's trying to wrap around, be all cool. What you gonna do, dude? What you gonna do? Yeah, these guys, they don't bite too hard or too much. It's pretty cool for pets, actually. But, hey, man. He's trying to bite me. Look at him. You goofy looking. You goofy. All right, guy. Come on. Don't try to bite. You're trying to bite me. Oh, you're trying to bite. Oh, don't be trying to bite. Ah. Ah. It's kind of hard to fish right here, man. We're gonna find another spot. Look at this guy. He's cool. Where you going? Come this way. Come this way. There you go. Come out this way so we can see you. Whoa, he's fast. These things sting, I know that. Come on. He's a big one. Look at this dude. Whoa. He's walking. Come on. He can smell me. Look at him go. Wow. Oh, this guy is awesome. Look at this dude. He is cool. All colorful. And these are venomous actually, guys. They eat other animals. He's going up to my neck. I'm gonna drop him here and let him go. All right, guy, take it easy. That was cool. All right, so the water back there is way up, and it's hard to get anywhere to throw over there. I don't know if I want to throw there anyway. I want to throw in all this and then go check out the other side over there and see what it's like. I know it came all the way up over there. Fishing kind of hard over here today, everybody. I don't even know what to target. Whites, striper, hybrid, catfish. And here's a bend right here. You can't even walk over there now. Cats are biting. Yeah, I was telling this guy up here, he was asking me what we should do to fish around here. I go, oh, remember when the dams are open, man, the people catch catfish. They drift fish. They let that bobber go like 8 to 10 feet in the water, big old piece of chicken liver or some night crawlers, and they pick up big ass cats right there in the rapid part.
That's what I was telling him just a minute ago.
For real? Yeah, I remember people doing that.
We were on the other side. It's been several years since we've been fishing.
Mm-hmm.
You know? And them suckers come down there and they're flipping it out there 10 feet. You let it run down.
Yep.
And they were catching them suckers like perch fishing, man. It was a good
yeah, I know. Nothing. I was hoping they would bite on this Go lure. I didn't bring any cut bait or live bait with me, man. But sometimes the hybrids and striper are in there like this. But it's been so long, I don't think the striper are up. They have to come from way down.
I've never, you know, people fish for them all the time. I hear stories about people catching them, but I don't know.
I never caught a striper here.
I never have either.
Hybrids and whites, but not striper.
Yeah, I just put my phone out to show you the picture of all the stripes and hybrids you catch down there.
Yeah, I've only ever catfish here.
Mm-hmm. Now, there's big ass buffalo too, if you can get at them with corn or bread or shoot them with the bow.
That's what I'm using.
What?
Buffalo.
Buffalo, yeah.
For bait.
I might check it out for a little longer and see what's up. Good luck, guys. Man, look at that. All right, well, you can see, man, the dam is full. Didn't catch too much today. Got to play with some critters and stuff like that. Meet some fine folks. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share, get notified, all that stuff, man. Comment. I appreciate the comments. I'd like to hear from you guys. Remember, on our way to 2,000 subscribers, man, we're gonna do some more fishing and make more videos. But make sure you hit that subscribe and like button so we keep this channel going, everybody. I appreciate y'all. Take it easy.